our chicken breast in that jerk marinade I made last week. Sweating down some onions and garlic and butter. Mixing that with some milk and flour. See that peppers, scallion, thyme. Mixing that up with some garlic. Ready to fill in with the pasta. And then you can see I'm using some of Monica's seasoned guan. And there we go. Look, oh, look at that sauce there. We've got some cream in there, some seasonings, you know what I'm saying? Just tossing the pasta in the peppers. And then add it to that creamy sauce. Look at that. And there's some, there's the chicken breast sliced up, ready to go on top. Enjoy the video. Bloop.
We're back for Nyam sitting, and today, yeah, we're eating Rasta pasta. Yeah, you got me. So see you in a bit.
We're back. No photos on our faces, no photos on our faces. So, yeah, as I said in the intro today, yeah, we're eating. Don't show that bowl because that's a little.
Yeah, what's it about? We're going to do what's that thing?
Rasta pasta. Yeah.
What's that thing that you do, that picture? I've never had Rasta pasta, I don't think we've heard of it.
What do you mean you never heard of it? Don't be so rough with it. Can you have your tits out? I'm going to put mine on my plate. So, yeah.
It's pasta, isn't it?
Yeah, I know.
What's going on in it? Oh, everything beyond the
Chicken's nice and moist as well.
Guess what, guys? I know we keep saying that we're going to do a well, we still haven't got it out of the freezer yet. We've been so busy doing other things.
Honestly. So yeah, in our last video.
Oh my god.
Imagine it. So in our last video, so it was in Manchester. And I just want to say to all the people that we met in Manchester, wow. You were all amazing.
Yeah. Oh, you know the love that we felt then now about everybody, it was absolutely bloody amazing. From Misha, we've got to say we absolutely adore you. You're like my little daughter. I just love you and all the other girls that work around you and blah blah blah. Thank you so much.
There were so many,
yeah.
Rachel, Emily.
Yeah.
Rachel, Emily, Kiara.
What's the lady's name? Bex, yeah. To all of them. It's absolutely amazing. And then after we did what we did, we went to a restaurant, the Harvester. We met this lady in there and she
Elaine.
Yeah, and she looked after us so, oh my god.
So yeah, I know all the people that we met weren't necessarily from Manchester, but
thank you.
Yeah, it was amazing.
And that.
And the lister as well.
Yeah, I mean the love that you showed us. Honestly, we've never seen that, all of that, actually in one place at the same time.
Everybody.
Yeah, it was amazing, and we felt absolutely. We walked away. We're still walking on cloud now. Didn't talk about that. So
Al, he was also amazing. And then, yeah, I can't say no more, but yeah.
So now we're eating this amazing. Miss, what's in this pasta? It's bloody delicious, mate. I never knew you could do a Jamaican dish with pasta.
Hey, listen. Jamaican cuisine knows no bounds.
It really doesn't, does it? So, Misha, what was the subject that we decided to talk about today? Excuse me, I was going to tell you, I've got my curls in my hair and all that kind of thing. We've got another busy day tomorrow. But we're just busy. Me and Misha never stop writing, we never stop doing what we're doing. We're just constant.
We all do what we do in the overdrive. That is no lie.
So we're so busy, and we do apologise for neglecting our friends and all that kind of thing, but you know that we all love you. We're just we're doing pebbles by pebbles, and that's what we're doing. You know, my sister rang me today, Auntie rang about because she rang me, but I couldn't talk to her because obviously I'm doing this video. You know what I mean? And she knows I love her, and I will text her as soon as I finish this. But like I was saying, maybe should never stop. You know what I mean? Because we want to make it right to the top. We're not going to stop until we do it. You better realise and recognise that. Now, Misha, what was the conversation that we were going to go on to talk about today? Your skin was amazing, by the way.
Was it? It's just sweat.
You know what it is? It looks kind of dewy. Shining and stuff.
Carry on.
Go on, man. Every day. I was going to say I'm finished going, man. But anyway.
Pardon?
I'm finished. Like, you know, like today, I have done product placement. I've seen that, say, Mish.
Oh, wow.
So I've done product placement. If you haven't brought this book yet, it's called I Am Black by Trisha Crest. That is me. Go and get it, babes.
Thanks for good.
It will educate you. Like we've had people read this black, white, pink, or yellow, yeah, and they were like, "Oh my god!" It almost made people cry. Number 2 will be out next year. But go and get this book. It's called I Am Black by Trisha Crest. You can get it online from
Olympia Publishers, WH Smith, Waterstones, Amazon, Book Depository, loads of places. I'll put as many links as I possibly can in the description. But the best place, the best place to go and get it from is Olympia Publishers because you'll get it the quickest.
Yeah.
And it's a good price. So go on there, get the book, support, show your love, you know what I mean? It's a great book. Obviously, I haven't read it myself, but I've heard loads of reviews.
You haven't read it. So what do you mean you edited it and everything like that?
Yeah, but you didn't pick up on that. I was too quick. So my joke fell.
Yeah, it was dead. But anyway, so going from showing this book, I Am Black. Now I want one subject I wanted to pick on, Misha. One subject I want to pick up on is remember that I mean the other day this young guy went out and killed bare black people. Why?
He did it in revenge. Apparently, it was in revenge for the bombings. Not the bombings. Was it Boston Marathon or something? Don't quote me. I don't even know. But you know what gets me, right? The way people are treated after they do something.
Yeah.
Like that guy. And they can't say it was a racist because the guy went up to him and said something to him, and he spoke to the guy nicely, you know. Then he went on.
What the black guy or?
No, what he went about. They went and shot all these people. He spoke to someone before and spoke to him calmly.
Yeah.
Then went on and carried on what he's doing. Killing people. So, what I don't understand. And you know what? People can say, "Oh, it's not like that." Yes, it is. It is exactly like what I'm about to go and say. When it is a white person, that person isn't shot. They could have a gun in there, they're not shot. Put your gun on the ground, They're not shot. I've spoken to him. Put your gun down. They put the gun down. Arrest him. Oh, put a bulletproof vest on him. Do you want some water? If it's a black person or any other person of colour, and when I say any other person of colour, black and brown, that's what I mean. I'm not going to mix my words. Yeah. There's no put your gun out, boom, 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 done. It makes no sense to me. No. That guy that went and shot up a school, they walked him out of the school, bulletproof vest on him, sat him down the step, he kept like talking to him, you know, like he hadn't just gone and shot up a school. A black man gets out of his car, and the police say, oh, he's getting out of his car, or he's reaching for his ID, bang, done. You cannot, and anyone can be like, oh yeah, but you haven't seen the story before, or you haven't heard how they talk to him, or whatever.
Oh, please.
Right, you can't say, I haven't heard how they spoke to him. When a white man has just gone into a school or just shot up bare people, That's all I need to know. They've just shot up their people. Just because I turn around and I say to you, fuck you, shut the fuck up, to a person like a police officer, that doesn't then mean I deserve to get shot for it. So, because it's like when people say, oh yeah, but you didn't hear how I spoke to the... Or if you just follow the rules. What? So, you're telling me...
Why is it one rule for one and one rule for the other? We are sick and fucking tired of listening and hearing the same bloody story. You know what I mean? Like, why is it not that we are all just equal? You know what I mean? Like, what I'm trying to say is we are all equal. Simple
we're
as
not
that.
though.
Yeah,
we're
but
not.
we are. But we are.
We're not.
Yeah, I know we're not portrayed like that in real life, but we are though, Misha. We should be. I can't put it this way. We should be. We should be. We are sick of the same fucking rhetoric. You know what I mean? Just leave us be. Let us all live together in harmony. What is wrong with that? You know what I mean? Nobody in this world rule this country apart from God himself. Yeah, but get over yourselves, whoever.
Yeah, but the thing is, it just isn't work like that. It's not necessarily get over yourself. It's a case of... It's a teaching thing, isn't it? It's completely different.
Yes, I know it's a teaching thing, but teaching, where does it start from, Misha?
When you're a kid.
It starts from home. With your parents. I mean, like, stop. You know, whether you're black or white or whatever colour you are, stop hating on another race. We are all one motherfucking people. Get a grip. You know what I mean? But I am sick to death of the way that black people are being treated just because of the layer of blackness on our skin. Get over it. That's it.
That's what it boils down to.
Yeah, that's all it boils down to me, because what else is different?
Apparently, yeah, but it's more menacing, it's this, it's evil, it's
what I'm asking the question, apart from the layer of skin, what's different? Nothing. That's it. Why are you jealous with her?
Yeah, but did you not see that thing on YouTube? On the telly. What's that? There was a teacher. I was on TikTok. There was a teacher and there was on about having black kids and mixed race kids and Pakistani kids, Indian kids.
Yeah.
Basically all these kids of colour, yeah?
I can remember. I know exactly.
Then the teacher turned around and was like, oh. She was really surprised that when this black kid fell over, that underneath it was like a pinkish colour.
The same as ours.
And yeah, like she was like, I was really surprised, but that's a fucking teacher. That is a teacher.
Yeah, but that's a human being.
No, but you're not listening to what I'm saying. That's a teacher. That is the person who's teaching the next generation of children to go off into the world. Yeah. That is the mindset of a teacher. And this woman, and if I can find the clip, I'll put it in here now.
1/3 of my class are black children. Then I've got a bunch of half-caste children. I've got one little girl who's stunningly beautiful. She fell over, scraped all her face. I admit I was slightly surprised that where she scraped all her face, it's all pink underneath. Right? Did I expect it to be black? I don't know.
But that woman, she's not like no young spring chicken either. That woman was probably like 60. Well, if you weren't 60, you look 60. But still. And then you can't take it back because you're an idiot.
Yeah, I mean, but can you believe that, Misha? What on earth did you think that we were going to look like underneath? But I'm going to say this, and I'm going to say it proud and very, very loud. I am black. Look at this. I am black and proud of this motherfucker. You should be proud of whatever you are and just walk on by. If you don't like what you see, whack. You know what I mean? Because you know, like when you don't like a certain food, you don't eat it, do you? So when you see a certain person that doesn't suit your rhetoric or whatever, walk past it. Walk past, don't say another word, don't harm them, don't hurt them, just walk on by. We are all in this world and we've got one life. And that's all we're going to do is live it. We're going to live ours, under live on us. The people that hate. We are all one. We're human beings, that's it. You know what I mean? So if you want to carry that hate in your heart and all that kind of thing, carry on doing it. You know what I mean? But do not involve us, do not shoot on us, don't do nothing, just walk on by and that's it. Conversation over. Because we love you, we like you.
Right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so you get a notification every time we post a new video. Yeah. Come on, guys, we're sitting on 171 subscribers. Let's get 1,000 subscribers by the end of
June.
So we are gonna say,
Aye.
see ya.
What do you want? What? No, you want to check my mommy
You got really excited about your No, so no, give her one more. But why not make sure I love you more?